ごめんね。
Okay, where do you want to start?
Let's take this shit off.
I think we should just strip everything. Just strip everything and see what we have at the end. We're finally doing it, bro.
Ready?
Oh, yes, yes. Yes, almost. Oh, fuck.
Dude, it's so nasty.
Oh my god.
Do you think we can salvage these seats?
No. Unless we reupholster them.
Seat adjustment, which is circuit number 40. And then you're
Yeah, but it doesn't matter because we need to get power to the car.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually.
And it's missing.
Yeah, no, but we still need to get the car on.
Alright, well let's at least put a
Because, in my opinion, it makes it a
fuse
little
in
bit
there. Green fuse from somewhere else. And put it to the other side.
easier. Is,
There's some 5s right here.
which you're just going to shove the wire into. So we're just going to live it.
Well, why is there no power if the battery's connected?
Yeah. Trying to get it electrocuted by touching this shit.
That's an engine ground.
Yeah.
That just grounds the engine. Maybe it's just dead, maybe.
Could be. Should we? If this works, bro.
It just depends if the seats work.
Yeah.
Because if there wasn't a fuse in there to begin with.
Circuit, if you will, with this 18.
Just like this long?
Just
Yeah.
shoves. Awesome. Do that. Make some nice connectors for this, but I'm
Alright.
trying to show.
Yeah, that should be good. There they are. Let's do it.
This works. Easy to just take the seats out because you're gonna replace them anyways.
Yes. It says positive.
Yeah,
negative.
but those you have to hold it on. This one you can just stick it in.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So
So
which side's positive, which one's negative?
yeah,
I just saw him sticking it in there,
yeah.
and then that goes to the positive.
Well, if we die, at least we'll have.
Some kind of video to show it. A ground. That's what I saw them doing. Second light doesn't look like it's gonna work.
Yes, it should. Maybe the other side. No way!
It worked, right? Yeah, buddy.
No way! Dude, that
Worked.
I can't believe that worked. That's insane. A little fucking power cut back.
Go for it.
Alright. Can we just cut it? Oh yeah.
Oh, the weight saving, bro.
We don't even need seats. We can sit in the back seat.
Seriously.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's nothing in there.
Okay, let's do this. Get in. Yeah, I'm making trap decisions. Yeah, I'm making trap decisions. Yeah, I'm making trap
Huh? I'm thinking my they came in at
The next day,
Alright, go for it. Should come right down. About time.
That wasn't too bad.
Dude, now we can just do everything we need to do off the car.
Yeah.
4 to 6 days later.
You clean the engine?
I need to. Yeah, I cleaned the engine. Well, I completely took it apart, took the heads off and everything, and I just went to go drop off the heads.
Dude, you did a lot. Dude, this looks really good.
That's pretty much done.
Dude, this feels really good too.
I just have to resand this because I forgot to blend this in.
Let me see.
You can feel it. You can see it.
Oh yeah, dude, this looks really good.
Apart, so I can look at how to do this.
Oh
So I
yeah.
think I'm just gonna. There's a hole right here, and then the video you just.
And you did all the assembly too? Oh, dude, it looks so good in here.
The inside is all painted.
Dude, it looks good in there.
But,
Oh, you painted this?
yeah. There's just a whole bunch of dust on it. But yeah, dude, check this out.
Oh my god. So what did you do?
So I cleaned it with.
Can you touch it?
Yeah, go for it. First, I doused it with WD-40 and kept it like that for like overnight, and then next morning I came
Dude,
back
that looks
with
good.
that. Yeah,
Dude,
everything's
all
brand
this
new.
looks so good.
That's all brand new. Yeah, all the accessories are all brand new,
Nice.
and it looks.
Dude, an
it's so good.
ICT bracket.
Hell yeah!
What's-
This
Yeah.
the MSD intake manifold,
That's sick.
and when I took the old manifold off, I was hoping that the old heads, these would be ported, but
They weren't?
no, they're not.
The next morning.
Alright, we are back at the garage. Last clip you saw, Yag was showing everything he was doing to the LS this weekend, or last weekend. Today we should be assembling everything back together since he got the heads back from the machine shop. So today we should be doing that, get all that done.
It's so good, dude.
Did you take a look at them without the ceramic on it?
No, I mean when he first took it off the machine, it looks so good.
Dude, wow.
It's so good, dude.
So we can put everything back together today?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, just a 1 2 1 2. This is a little something for you, you little biatch.
said you don't need to.
Dude, we could have literally used.
Seriously, dude, it's the same exact shit.
You just didn't trust me.
No, it just didn't look right, bro.
It's the same stuff.
That says the torque.
What torque thingy?
I'll show you.
Oh god. Oh god.
All right, so there's gonna be a total of 15 bolts. 2 of them are these small little 10 millimeter bolts, and then there's 10 15 millimeter bolts, but 2 of the 10 15 millimeter bolts are like a little smaller than
The other ones?
the other ones. So these are the ones that go on the end, the head in the inside. There we go.
This or 13 first, or which one first?
First is gonna be
13, man?
yeah, the 13 ones first. So
Oh, there we go. So head studs are torqued. What's next?
now we're going to put the push rods and the rocker arms, and we're gonna lube up the push rods before we put them in.
Let's do it.
And let's do it. So the push rods, I'm gonna put them exactly how I pulled them out. So if you look at all the push rods right here, I pulled them out like this way. So we should make sure
Put
to
them in the same exact way.
Just the heads. So this one's gonna go into the 4th one.
They just go in like that?
Yeah. And then when you push them in, you'll feel like you'll feel it. You'll feel it. Yeah, you felt that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So those are in, and then before we put the rocker arms, we'll also lube the ends of those as well. Some lube to the top of the So these should all be good to torque down to 22 foot-pounds.
But we're gonna do 23.
We're gonna do 23.
Just to be safe.
Just to be safe.
Okay, now the rocker arms are on, right?
Yeah, and the push rods. So now we're gonna put the covers on, and
We can start putting everything else together?
yeah, I think that's the oil pressure sensor, and we'll put that on because I think with the intake manifold on, it's gonna be hard to put that sensor on.
So this side can go on too?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know why I just smelled it.
There you go. So before we put the intake manifolds, we're gonna install the knock sensors. These are pretty easy. And then this little gasket thing goes in there.
So what goes right there? The oil sensor?
Yeah. That goes right in here. So now we're installing the coal packs. I got the ICT bracket, and I believe these are the D85 coal packs.
Is it time?
It's time. The moment of truth. Is it gonna fit? There we go. Oh wait. So we're gonna put the water pump, and then we're gonna put the alternator, the AC compressor, because we're gonna have AC in this car. No, just kidding. We're not gonna have AC in this car yet.
No, none.
And then we're gonna put the power steering pump, and it should, and the belt. This motor is gonna be ready.
So we did the heads, right? And then the push rods,
yeah,
the rocker
push rods,
arms,
the valve covers, the coal packs, and
and then the intake manifold.
intake manifold, and yeah, and then the steam ports in the back.
Oh yeah.
We still gotta do the front steam ports, but
All right, let's go eat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Look, there's trash everywhere. This is an extra large. Why? I didn't even know they made them this big. I got it.
oh, it smells so good. I don't think I've ever been this excited for In-N-Out.
Dude, seriously.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Man, drop that shit for these fuck niggas.
Dude, it looks so beefy now.
Right? Bro, and then we can put in the...
Dude.
Oh my god, dude.
You're good.
Alright, we're good now. Perfect. Now that looks more normal.
Yeah. So it's done?
It's done. It's
Pretty much everything is put on the motor. So it's good to put in?
Yeah?
There's nothing else that needs to be done?
No, that is it.
Dude, it looks so
Some
good.
got the
Dude,
craving
put
for
this in a
gold and
room.
silver. Others need lots of land with herds of cattle. When you boil it all down, what does a man really need? Just a smoke and a cup of coffee.
I don't understand one word you're saying, but it sounds great.